Hi folks, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. Today we had bad thunderstorms that went through. We had a lot of hail, rain, wind, a lot of lightning and thunder. We had over 2 inches of rain, maybe more. Today I want to talk a little bit about that and tell you the kind of weather we had here. We had large hail, heavy rains, a lot of lightning, thunder, rain and wind. It was bad, folks, for a while. It was bad. I mean, the hail was about that big. It was big size hail. I mean to tell you, it was huge. A lot of rain, wind, hail, a lot of lightning and thunder. That was associated with the bad thunderstorm that went through here about 15-20 minutes ago. It was bad, folks. Bad. So I'm a little late doing the video on account of the storm. The storm was bad. A lot of lightning, a lot of rain, a lot of thunder, a lot of hail. It was a bad storm. A bad one. But how are you doing? How is your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Plus, the storm done some damage here. It damaged 2 or 3 cars, and it damaged some roofs. So the storm was bad. If you have any suggestions on any CD, DVD, LP record, or cassette you want to see, leave down in the comments, and I'll show you those items, plus the items I got to show around here. Like I said, we had a bad thunderstorm that went through here. It done some damage. Done damage to cars and some roofs. And we got a lot of hail, a lot of rain, a lot of lightning, thunder, and a lot of hard winds. But like I said, I stayed out of it because it was a bad storm, bad one. And I don't want to get out in bad storms. Don't like bad storms. But in the meantime, always remember to always be yourself, help out others, be there for your family and friends, no matter what. And always remember to do the best you can do because life is short. And always remember to always like, favorite, subscribe if you're new to this channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.